gonna be late. Let's go. Oh, you win by 1.
Oh, that was close. Alright, good luck.
You too, brother.
Thank you. Alright. This is the hand. There you go. Stand by main. Special Fenrir.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
That sounds kind of busted, though. Yeah. There's a whole deck of roll around doing that.
So you will re-roll?
So no, that's what I'm actually doing.
Just re-roll the 3. Just a 3-1, yeah. I'm not going to rob you of your 6.
Oh, doubles.
Well, there's a chance he rolls a 1 on the re-roll. First or second? Cut?
It places a witch from Spell Trap Graveyard in the set. Yep,
That's fine.
That's what happens sometimes when you play 60 cards. You open one of those weird mesh of cards. Now, move to end phase.
Pardon?
Move to end phase.
Okay.
Trigger effect.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Special effect.
Can I respond in the end phase?
Yeah. No, you can't Veiler it.
No.
You can imperm it. Sure.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. Draw. Standby main.
Yeah.
Terraform.
Yeah. On resolution, I will droll and lockbird.
Let us chain. Calling, draw, and lockbird.
Yep.
Thank you. Okay.
What's the photo?
Nothing. His effects are all from the hand of Pendulum. Oh no, if my DD Griffin is affected again, he's like controlling the special
Yep.
secret room.
We will chain Ash Blossom and Joyous Spring.
You got it. So then this targets.
It does.
So I'm going to ponder my brain a little bit.
That's fine.
We're going to go happy target.
Yes.
Discard to summon.
Sure.
Summon Lily, and then Lily on summon to search.
Sure. Resolution.
Yes.
Effect target.
Oh, yeah. So you destroy
Face up card your opponent controls. Yep. Effect. Sure. Any other quick play would be much better, but
I just drew an insane hand.
Draw for turn.
yep.
Draw phase.
3 cards in hand.
Correct.
I think we just shot that this here.
That's fine. Anything here?
No.
Move to main phase.
Yep.
Trigger.
activate, pay by starting. This effect is special summon.
You're going to grab
Cards that you pay or hand would do.
This is probably the only hand in the world that actually loses to a nipple.
What
are you thinking?
Yeah.
On summon, I can target one kind of monster on my.
Just thinking if I shotgun this now.
Is that fine?
potentially have the one.
When he is to brave, I can add a resonator
I
from
know you have a unicorn in hand.
but I had none in there, so...
Go ahead.
Normal summon one.
So here, you have no schooners, so you can't synchro. You can link. Go ahead. So this is now where I think I need to interact, because if you go into SP, you can banish my monster, but then you miss out on your battle phase.
I missed out on attacking directly.
Yeah. This is a challenge, Callum. I know you've got the unicorn in hand.
And you know I've got a Fenrir. You know 2 of the 3 cards in my hand.
Yeah. Detach 2.
Sure.
Targeting.
Yep. Which?
Yes.
Anything on race?
No.
Cool. Into battle phase?
Yes.
Declare attack and affect target.
Banish? Yes. Yes.
And I'll take 400.
Yep.
Main phase 2. You kept it under there. Clever boy. Alright. SP affect target.
So we change it to 1, change it to...
And
So this will destroy all
End
phase
phase.
attacks and monsters using synchro material, which it was, so these 2 will die.
Shot target.
Yep.
And then once it leaves the field, I special summon the that's 19.
I'll drop 10. Sure. Thank you. Stand by main.
Yep.
That's really inconvenient. Inconvenient. That's just all normal summon.
Yep.
Effect.
Chain target.
Yep. Resolve. Yep.
Attack 3,000.
Is it 80?
Plus.
16 defense.
And it vanishes because it's effective the way it summons itself.
Stand by main 1/4.
Yeah.
Want to go game 2?
Yeah.
Draw phase.
Nothing from me, so you drop
Yeah,
it.
no, that's fine.
Oh, okay, cool. Stand by main.
That's fine.
I too can play Fenrir.
You 2 can play Fenrir.
I'll play Fenrir.
No.
Yep.
Effects.
Yep. Resolution. Draw and lock.
Thank you.
Shot.
It does.
Shot.
A lot of effects are going to trigger on me. I'm still leaving the field. So, first up, we have high force. Because of our field work,
Low card range.
I'll get you to cut because I will be attending a trigger its effect. Did you open the ash as well? No, the infirm! No way! Yeah, that's fine. Sure. You get its effects or the effect?
Its effects.
Its effects. Yeah.
You can attempt to rank up, but it won't do it.
Bro!
Just when summoned, like in search of
Negate its effects, and if it leaves the field, I burn
This
through.
turn leaves the field. This turn you take 100.
Oh my gosh.
I know, right?
But it negates the other effect as well. It's not just the effect.
Yeah, the whole effect is negated for the rest of the turn.
Its effects, yeah. I'm going to take 100.
Gains 1,000 attacks.
Yep. Would you like to trigger a speed?
I can't. It was not used.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yep.
I'm so used to being.
Yes, yeah. No, you're good. And then I'll pass turn over to you.
It's imperm synergy. What is this?
Stand by main.
Yes, sir. Pot of Desires. That's a card.
Yeah, I'll just use Coconut.
Choose the board, and then gives you a token equal to its attack, so that's 2, 8, 2, 8, 5, 6, 5, 7.
This is a perfect course. This is a perfect
2, 8, 2, 4, 1, 9, so that's 3, 8, 4, 7, 5, 7, 6,
Stand by me.
Oh, that's gross.
1. So all these choose, and then you get a token effect, and I'll put it.
Now, question: if that gets imperm, does the quick buff fall off?
Nothing here?
No.
Still on the attack.
because of the way this is worded, like the technique.
Fenrir effect. What's the face up battle cards? Oh, sorry, I can't. That's fine. So we'll just go to the battle phase. Sure. I'll declare with Fenrir for 24. And then can I use anything?
It's only for
Yeah. You taking that?
Yeah, I'll take both.
And 16. Yep. Main 2?
Yep.
I will pass it.
Stand by main.
Yes, sir.
Activate.
Yes, sir. Perfect. Yes, sir.
That was all news. That was the last time.
He didn't know. Yeah, I'm doing it. Stand by. At the hand. Up first. That's the one thing again.
No phase 2.
Special.
You know what's funny? I run 3 cards that and I haven't seen it once. Yeah, so anytime
Go battle phase? Yep.
Ariana or
Clear attack.
On standby.
Any effect?
No.
Yep.
Triple human resource.
You take 200.
3 cards.
Yeah.
Any commercial DD will see.
Good go,
There you
dude!
go. And roll DD.
Main phase 2?
Yep.
Trigger effect.
Cards in hand is 2. True effect is to search for a copy of itself.
Oh, no, Kashtira.
Kashtira monster, yeah.
Oh, you're doing that.
DD screen slam.
Plus.
My card was in my deck turned upside down.
Do you mind if I read it?
Yeah.
Thanks.
We've been thinking of this right now.
We will normal summon the effective pop
We're gonna.
So it's effective, so I
It
can,
adds a snake eye
spell trap.
snake eye spell trap.
or I can special summon it if either is control field spell. And those are ones.
That's fine.
I'm going to add this to the normal summon. It's just effect for that.
Yep.
I don't know, I wondered. And why did you why was it right?
Link 1.
This is 7100 defense.
Special. Trigger effect the
Special
poplar.
summon this person.
Target itself. Place this spell in trap zone.
Or brave by discarding a card in my hand or setting a card.
3 cards in.
Yeah, I'll change the light. Itself and free roam. Sure.
Oh, when they said that,
Activate this guy's effect.
Activate original.
And target the
7 for cost. Yep.
to add it to increase the level by 1. Well, I have to send it.
Yep.
That's on the Nim.
Make the vote. Yep.
So that makes the Nim token not destroyable in the battle?
So I need this to be
Like, hang on, are you using Oak's effect?
I'll use Oak.
Yep.
When it's 6 or
What
something,
can happen, what can't happen?
you can destroy a card on the field. Then when this is destroyed, I can choose a card on the field and can't attack next turn.
Yep.
Yeah.
Play vote effect.
Effective dance going to make these little 4-topping princess ready.
Three into princess.
Yeah. And then effect.
Yep. Yep.
Speaking like these.
4 into whale. Oh, yep, yep, yep. Yep.
In
phase,
phase,
yeah.
3-2.
Then draw for turn. I'm in a really bad position now. Stand by main.
Yeah. So all my monsters are currently gaining fire, dark, 200.
Yeah. I don't think there's actually a position from here that I can do anything. So I will.
3K.
I'm gonna scoop. Okay. Again, my friend.